Have you ever wondered how your car knows so much about the road, your driving, and even itself? From stopping at the right moment to adjusting fuel efficiency, sensors do it all. In this video, we'll explore every sensor in your car, how it works, and why it's essential, all in one place. What are car sensors? A sensor is like your car's senses. They detect information and send it to the brain, which is the ECU, electronic control unit. Sensors monitor everything: speed, temperature, pressure, position, and even air quality. Without sensors, modern cars wouldn't know how to operate efficiently or safely. Think of it this way. Your car has eyes, ears, and touch sensors. It feels the road, listens to the engine, and reacts instantly. From fuel injection timing to braking, every action relies on accurate sensor data. Sensors come in many types: analog, digital, mechanical, and even optical. Some measure physical properties like temperature or pressure, while others measure electrical signals. Today, we'll cover the most important sensors in a modern car and explain how they keep your ride smooth, safe, and efficient. Engine sensors, the heartbeat of your car. 1. Mass airflow sensor. MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. It's like the lungs of your car. More air means more fuel is needed for combustion. If it fails, the engine runs rough, fuel efficiency drops, and the check engine light comes on. 2. Oxygen sensor. O2 sensor. Installed in the exhaust, this sensor monitors oxygen levels in the gases leaving the engine. The ECU uses this data to adjust fuel injection for optimal performance and emissions. Without it, the car could run rich or lean, wasting fuel and harming the environment. 3. Throttle position sensor, TPS. This sensor tracks the position of the accelerator pedal or throttle plate. It tells the ECU how much power you're demanding. Sudden acceleration? The TPS sends the signal to deliver more fuel and adjust timing for smooth response. 4. Coolant temperature sensor, CTS. The CTS measures engine temperature. Cold engine? More fuel is injected to start efficiently. Hot engine? Fan is activated, or fuel is adjusted to prevent overheating. It's a vital safety and performance sensor. 5. Knock sensor. This sensor listens for engine knocking or pinging, caused by premature fuel ignition. The ECU retards timing when knocking is detected to prevent engine damage. It's like having an internal guardian protecting your engine from stress. Transmission and drivetrain sensors. 1. Vehicle speed sensor, VSS. This sensor measures the speed of the wheels or transmission output shaft. The data is used for speedometer readings, ABS, traction control, and automatic transmission shifting. Without accurate VSS readings, your car may shift late or disable certain safety features. 2. Transmission fluid temperature sensor. Monitoring transmission fluid temperature ensures the gearbox operates safely. Too hot? The ECU may limit performance to prevent damage. This sensor is crucial for longevity in both automatic and CVT systems. 3. Gear position sensor. Detects which gear the car is in, PRND or manual modes. It allows safety features like starting only in park/neutral and controlling shift logic in automatic transmissions. Brake and safety sensors. 1. ABS wheel speed sensor. Each wheel has a sensor that detects rotation speed. If a wheel locks during braking, ABS modulates brake pressure to prevent skidding. These sensors are the core of anti-lock braking systems and traction control. 2. Brake pedal position sensor. This sensor measures how far the brake pedal is pressed. It informs ABS, brake assist, and electronic stability control systems, ensuring safe stopping distances and smooth braking response. 3. Parking sensors. These ultrasonic or radar sensors detect obstacles near your car during low-speed maneuvers. They beep or alert you visually to prevent minor collisions. Modern cars often integrate them with cameras for full 360-degree awareness. 4. Airbag sensors. Accelerometers and crash sensors detect sudden deceleration or collision forces. They instantly deploy airbags to protect occupants. Without these, even a small collision could be catastrophic. Comfort and convenience sensors. 1. Rain sensor. This optical sensor detects moisture on the windshield and automatically activates the wipers. It's a small convenience that improves safety during sudden rain. 2. Light sensor. Ambient light sensors adjust dashboard brightness and can automatically turn headlights on or off depending on lighting conditions. 3. Tire pressure monitoring sensor. TPMS. These sensors monitor tire pressure in real time. Low pressure triggers a dashboard alert, helping prevent blowouts, improve fuel efficiency, and maintain handling. 4. Temperature and climate sensors. Cabin temperature sensors allow automatic climate control to adjust heating and cooling for comfort. Outside temperature sensors also help manage engine cooling and HVAC systems. Advanced driver assistance sensors. 1. Radar sensors. Used for adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and collision avoidance. Radar sensors measure the distance and relative speed of objects around the car. 2. LiDAR and camera sensors. These are used in modern lane-keeping systems, pedestrian detection, and parking assist. Cameras provide vision-based input while LiDAR measures precise distances. 3. Ultrasonic sensors. These short-range sensors assist with low-speed maneuvers, parking, and detecting nearby obstacles. 4. Steering angle sensor. Monitors how far and how fast you turn the steering wheel. Data is used for stability control, lane keeping, and electronic power steering adjustments. Fuel and emission sensors. 1. Fuel level sensor. Measures the amount of fuel in the tank. Simple but critical for informing your fuel gauge and calculating range. 2. Evaporative emission sensors. Detect leaks in the fuel system that could release harmful gases. Part of emission control systems, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. 3. MAP sensor. Manifold absolute pressure. Monitors air pressure in the intake manifold. This helps the ECU calculate the correct air-fuel ratio, improving efficiency and performance. Summary: how sensors work together. Every sensor in a car is part of a vast network. They don't work in isolation. The ECU constantly reads, processes, and adjusts based on sensor input. Engine sensors manage combustion and performance. Transmission and drivetrain sensors ensure smooth power delivery. Brake and safety sensors keep you alive. Comfort and convenience sensors make driving easier. ADAS sensors prevent accidents and assist the driver. Fuel and emission sensors maintain efficiency and environmental compliance. Together, these sensors make modern cars safer, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Driving without them would be nearly impossible for today's vehicles. Conclusion: car sensors are the hidden heroes of modern driving. They allow your car to react faster than you ever could, maintain performance, protect you in accidents, and make life behind the wheel easier. Next time you drive, think about the hundreds of sensors silently monitoring, calculating, and adjusting your car is alive with technology. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Subscribe.